Hello guys, welcome to Dimox Design Creatives, and today I want to take you through keyboard shortcuts that you may have not been using for some time. This has come with Windows 11. This is a new feature where Windows 11 will show you several shortcuts that you can use to access various applications, or several shortcuts or keyboard shortcuts that will help you navigate through your PC in the most simplest way. So let's jump into our PC and see where the shortcuts are. In your PC, go to your search bar there and search for tips, and you will get tips apps. That's the best match for us, and here we have different tips that Windows 11 has. And what we want to talk on, or what we want to talk about, is the keyboard shortcuts. Windows 11 has provided 11 tips that all talk about, or all help us to navigate through applications in the easiest way possible. So I want us to go through the keyboard shortcuts shortly, so that you easily understand the shortcuts that will help you in the simplest way possible. The first shortcut, or shortcut number 1, search for anything. If you want to search for anything, you have a shortcut for that. And to do this, you just press the Windows key and press S. When you press Windows key and press S, you will be taken to the search bar here, and you will be able to search for anything that you wish to have. If it is not available in your PC, it must be available on the online site. So that's our shortcut number 1. And then shortcut number 2, before we do that, we can give it a thumbs up. Shortcut number 2 is how you can open the widgets. So if you want to open the widgets, that's where you get all the news, the calendar, or everything that you need to get from widgets. Talk about weather, talk about news. There's so much things you can search from widgets. So to get that, press the Windows logo key and W. If you press the Windows logo key, this shortcut will appear here, and it will take you to your you can search for anything, you can get the news, you can get everything that you wish to have. This is widgets. So from widgets you can get anything. So let's give it a thumbs up. Shortcut number 3 is about taking a screenshot. There is a shortcut on taking a screenshot of your screen, so you don't need to go to settings or start for looking for a screenshot or a snipping tool to make a screenshot. No, there is a shortcut for that. Master this shortcut and it will help you big time. So that shortcut, to get to that shortcut, you press the Windows logo key plus Shift plus S. You get to the snipping area where you can snip or get a screen of your choice. You can try to get this screen here. You can decide to get this screen here. You can decide to take another screen shot. You can take this part here. That's another screenshot. Very easy, very simple. You can decide to have another screenshot by pressing the Windows key logo and Shift plus S, and this will take you to the rectangular snip. It will, if you wish to have a free form snip, you click on the freeform snip, and then when you decide to take a freeform snip, you can take a freeform snip. Say for example you want to take a snip of that shape there, you will be able to take a freeform snip, a freeform snip. And if you want to take a window snip, the whole of this window, you just click on that window snip and you will be able to take a window snip, and a window snip will be taken. If again you want to get back to that and then you want to take a full snip or a full screen snip, you'll just need to activate that, and a full snip of everything will be picked. So it has several abilities. It has more functions or abilities to take a snip or take screenshots of your screens, and this is an amazing feature, a very amazing shortcut that will help you take a screenshot. So let's give it a thumbs up because it has helped us so much. So our tip number 4 is all about accessing our clipboard history. So if you want to access our clipboard history, you only press the Windows logo key plus V. When you click on that, you will see several history of what we have been able to do in an easy way. So you can easily paste them in other apps. If you want to paste them in another application, it will be very easy. You only click on the window, you only press on the Windows logo key, and you get the history of your clipboard, and then you can paste this in other applications or sync across devices. So let's give this a thumbs up for giving us the opportunity to have a shortcut to our clipboard history. Tip number 5, talk instead of type. How do you do this? You can open, or they are telling you you only press Windows logo key plus H to use speech recognition. Very easy. And to convert spoken words into texts anywhere in your PC. That's it. Let's go there. Already we've given it a thumbs up, and we need to know how do you do it, or how do we do it. So let's open a text application. Say for example we want Word application. Word application. Let's open Word, and then we are told this tip number 5, we are told that we need to press to get to talking, we need to press Windows logo key plus H. So how do we do that? So let's get here and then press Windows logo key plus H. There is the microphone is listening, and the message will be taken through or what you will be talking, or the message, or the dictation, or it will the Word document or the Word will be able to record whatever you will be talking, and this will be an easy way to take notes. It will be very easy. If you want to take notes from a piece of paper or a book, you can always read from the book as you continue copying to your text application or text or Word document. You can use also a notepad if you wish to use notepad. So it's very easy, very simple. You just jump into your Word document and start dictation right away. So that's another one. That's tip number 5. Already we've let's not save this. Already we've given it a thumbs up. Let's go to tip number 6. Tip number 6 is about expressing yourself with an emoji. If you want to express yourself with an emoji, you only need to press the Windows logo key plus a period or plus the semicolon. So if you press Windows logo key plus semicolons right here, you will be able to search for see images, symbols, or icons to express emotions or communicate playfully without words. You will find Kamoji and GIFs here too. Let's see what they're talking about. Let's press Windows logo key and semicolon. There we have the emojis. We also have a few emojis there. We have simile faces and animals. We have people. We have celebrations and objects. We have food and plants. So if I want to express myself using this one, I will be able to do that. If, for example, I open a Word document, let's see if how possible is this. You only click press the Windows logo key plus the semicolon, and if you want a few of them, you only need to click on them and they will be pasted on your Word document. If you want to do it in your notepad, still it will work for you very nicely. That's another shortcut to emojis. We have a thumbs up for that. Let's go to the next tip, which is tip number 7. Clear window clutter. Press Windows logo key plus D to quickly minimize all your open apps so you can get to your desktop. Press them again to bring back. Let's say for example we had this one opened, we had another one, that one opened, we had which one else, we have, let's say we have these two. If you want to minimize all this, you only press the Windows logo key plus D. You're done, so that you can maybe search or look for something else. If you want to get back there, press Windows logo key plus D, and then you will be able to get back to your Windows. This one also has a thumbs up. It's a nice one. It is very, very helpful. Tip number 8, lock your screen. At times we leave our screens unlocked, and someone can easily come and access your files, access your documents, and or access your confidential information. So most of the times we just wait, or we set our PC, or we set our screen to go off or lock after either 2 or 3 minutes or after a certain period of time. But this one will easily help you. It will take you the shortest time to do it. You just press Windows logo key plus L to lock your screen. There we go. I have locked my screen. Now I can go and attend to other matters. If I want to get back to my screen, I will just enter my password, and I'll get back to my screen. This one also is very, very helpful. Tip number 9, keyboard shortcut. Quickly switch tasks. If you want to switch to tasks, you only need to press the Windows logo key plus tab to show and switch between open Windows apps and virtual desktops. For example, if I open this one, I want to switch through between Windows. So if I want to switch between tabs or windows, open windows, I will easily get to that. So I only press the Windows logo key plus tab, and it will take me to the window where it will show me all open windows. All open windows will be shown. If I want to open this one, I will be able to open that one easily and work on it. So that's tip number 9. Tip number 10, snap windows side by side. If I want to snap my windows side by side, what do? I press Windows logo key plus right or left arrow to perfectly snap windows to the sides of your screen automatically. See this, no manual resizing or positioning needed. We used to reduce the size of the screen so that we can either access another window, but here tip number 10 is helping us to snap windows side by side. By doing what? By pressing the Windows logo. Let's press the Windows logo. Let me press my right arrow key. Where does it take me? Takes me to the right, and the left side will align for me, or it will place me, it will give me all the open windows. If I press the Windows logo key and I just let me walk out of this and then press Windows logo key and left key, it will take me back to the center where my window was. If I press again, it will take me to the left side, if to the left side of the screen. So let me go to the center by pressing Windows logo key and the right arrow, which will take me to the center of my screen. Tip number 11 and the last tip, quickly change settings. This is the last but not the least tip in our shortcut or in our keyboard shortcuts. So here we will quickly change settings by pressing the Windows logo key plus A to get to commonly used settings like volume, brightness, and Wi-Fi. If I want to get to my settings in the easiest way, in the fastest way possible, press the Windows logo key and press A to get to my settings. So here I can set my Bluetooth, I can change the Wi-Fi that I want to get to change to. I can activate my keyboard, I can activate my Bluetooth, I can put the screen to airplane mode, I can save, try and see how I can save. I can activate the battery saver, I can change priority to priority only, or alarms only, or focus assist only. Accessibility, I can click on accessibility to see what it provides for me. So thank you so much for following up on the keyboard shortcuts. I am so happy to take you through this shortcut. Thank you so much. Until I see you in the next video. See ya.